Hi, I'm Grayson Rapp, the admissions counselor here at Trinity, and I get a lot of inquiries about applying to a Caribbean medical school and our application process here at Trinity. So we want to take a few minutes to get into what it takes to start your journey to becoming a successful physician. Let's get started. We have another video that goes into detail about your MCAT scores, and you can find that information on our website. But the important thing to remember is, here at Trinity, we require your MCAT score as part of the overall admissions requirement. That score alone is not the sole determining factor in whether you'll be admitted to medical school. Trinity also considers factors like relevant work experience, leadership positions, internships, letters of recommendation, strategic extracurriculars, shadowing, intangibles like drive, focus, and dedication. We require a minimum of 90 undergraduate credit hours or equivalent for our students outside the U.S. There are specific class requirements that must be completed before enrollment. You can find this information on our website, and we are always here to help. 1 academic year of biology with lab, 1 academic year of general or inorganic chemistry with lab, 1 academic year of organic chemistry with lab, and that second semester may be substituted with biochemistry, mathematics, English, and physics. While physics is not a requirement, to be well prepared, students are encouraged to seek courses that provide a foundational understanding of fluids, gases, and pressure variations, and all courses must have been completed within the last 10 years of application submission. Here at Trinity School of Medicine, we offer 3 program entry points each year: January, May, and September. We utilize a rolling admissions process to give every applicant an individual evaluation on their own merits. While prospective students can apply at any time, we encourage applicants to submit all materials for consideration 2 to 4 months before you begin classes. We believe it's very important to make applying to Trinity as simple as possible, and we've worked extremely hard to make that happen. All candidates can fill out our online application or submit a current existing application report such as an AMCAS, ACROMAS, or OMSAS. In about 1 week after Trinity receives all application materials for a candidate, we will contact the candidate to schedule an interview. We always schedule our applicant interviews at the beginning of the admissions process rather than towards the end. This allows us to learn the story of you as a complete candidate and not just the scores and grades. Applicants can interview on campus at St. Vincent and the Grenadines or at one of our US or Canadian admissions offices. If none of these options work for you, we can arrange a virtual interview via Zoom. Once you've completed the application, attached your unofficial transcripts and relevant supporting documents, paid the $50 application fee, and click Submit, you will be quickly contacted by your admissions counselor and regional director of admissions. Your admissions counselor will be asking for a few additional supporting documents that we will need to complete your file for the admissions committee. Let's take a look at what those are. Letters of recommendations. These must come directly from the letter writer. We are looking for academic abilities and evidence of positive character traits. We require 2 letters for incoming MD1 applicants, 1 letter for pre-med and Masters of Science applicants, and 1 letter plus a dean's letter for transfer applicants. Transcripts. While we encourage applicants to submit all unofficial transcripts they have when making application, we understand that not all applicants have access to their unofficial transcript. These will come from all post-secondary schools, including undergraduate, graduate, and professional programs. Your admissions counselor will help you obtain any additional transcripts you may be missing. Although unofficial transcripts will be sufficient for a decision from the admissions committee, official transcripts must be received prior to your matriculation. And that's how our application process works and the requirements you need here at Trinity. We hope this has helped, and you can watch our other videos that give valuable insight into your student journey. Remember, although all this information can be found on our website, our student services team is ready to help make the admissions process seamless and worry-free. We know that you will find a great home with us as we support you in fulfilling your dreams of becoming a successful physician.